with Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen one more time again. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys. Just to share with you the love, the respect. It's coming up to Mother's Day. It's coming up also to Easter. Easter is early this year. So, you know what I mean, Mother's Day is this Sunday coming, March the 6th. And, you know what I mean, we are doing some fish. This is some, you know what I mean, Easter fried fish with a little bit of sauce over it, you know what I mean, fry up seasoning, pickle style. And hopefully guys will like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments. I can use this recipe also for Mother's Day. If you want to do mom some fried fish or some escabille fish. Whatever you want to do for mom this Sunday. But the fish is also for Easter. Easter fried fish with some pickle goes over it. Really nice and beautiful. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and get a copy of Chef Ricardo cooking book. We love you. Thank you so much for spending your time watching Chef Ricardo cooking show. See you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. So right here guys, I got some fish right here. This is a boneless fish and it is a duck fish right here. I got some plain flour inside of my bowl. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of the fish. And as I said before, these fish can always work for Mother's Day fish, guys. So simple, what I'm gonna do is simple sprinkle a little bit of fish seasoning right here. And just a little pinch also inside of the flour. It's some plain flour, and to be honest, the plain flour, guys, yeah, the only beauty I like with the plain flour is the plain flour goes really well. Little bit of coarse pepper. Let's turn it over just to get the flavor on the fish. Put it also in this. Nice and lovely. So this is some coriander and ginger. We're gonna put a little bit inside of the flour, a little bit also on the fish. Some people that just rub salt and pepper on the fish when they're doing their fish at home. But you know, we are Jamaican and we like to know some things done the right and proper way. Also a little bit of paprika inside of the flour, also on the fish. Lovely and nice. I did have some herb, but the herb finished. So basically we just have to just work with what we have at the moment. Then, so what you're gonna do, this is the fish right here. Make sure the fish have on the season the right and proper way. Mix up the flour and just simple dip it in the flour like this. Flour wash it. Just like this. You don't need to egg wash this one. I'm just gonna give it a full recipe of this one like this, guys. Put it into somewhere dry. I'm gonna do all of them like this. Alright? Give it a nice, lovely flavor. Nice and lovely. So as I can see, I just flour off the fish. So done and dusted. So we're just gonna pan fry them for about 2 to 3 seconds. And then we're gonna finish them off inside of the oven. Lovely recipe for Mother's Day or Easter fried fish. Alright? Look at the recipe, guys, and follow the instruction of how you can do your fish for this Easter. Look at this now. So we got a medium sized frying pan on the stove. Lovely and nice. That's one of the most important things you want to do. Just pop a little bit of oil. Not too much. As you can see, let that hot for roughly about 3 seconds. And a medium sized heat. So that almost that's ready now. Look at that. That is fantastic job, guys. Look at that, guys. That is beautiful. So we're gonna fry 3 at a time like this. And as soon as they get a nice, lovely, crispy brownish color one side, you turn it over to the other side. Nice and lovely. So now you're gonna look at the other side. Take your time, turn it over. And do the other one just the same way. On the same way. Get that lovely color on the both outside of them. Beautiful. Nice, I love it. So this is the way that I'm talking about now. So now the other side of the fish is finished. So we're gonna just take out them like this. And I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm doing when I take them out, where I lay them. But you guys can see exactly what I'm doing right here. Then get the next 2 more pieces. Pan fry them the same way. So I want you guys to see exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about, what they're talking about. Fry some nice fish for Mother's Day. Then what happened? We got I already make a butter and lemon sauce, which can serve with this fish, guys. It's an amazing recipe. Nice, I love it. So what we're going to do, we're going to turn it over to the other side. Look at that, guys, that is amazing. Look at that. Lovely and nice. So as you can see, exactly what we're talking about with the fish. Nice, I love it. So now this one is finished. And I'm going to simply take it out. Like this. Like this. And that's the way of the fish look. I'll lay a piece of a grease-proof paper in an oven tray, and now I'm gonna pop it in the oven for roughly about 15 minutes for it to bake. So after your pan fried, bake it in the oven for 15 minutes, guys. You get a perfect, crispy, nice, lovely taste from the fish, because every time you pan fry anything and you put it in the oven, it's totally different. Then we're gonna sprinkle some pickle dressing on top of it. I did make a honey dressing for it, but we're not gonna serve it with honey dressing. We're gonna serve it with some sauteed veg on top of it. So guys, enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. As I say, this recipe is also Mother's Day recipe and Easter fried fish recipe. We got a lot more fish coming up, guys. Easter, we got bun and fish coming, we got bun and cheese coming up, we got fried fish and bread coming up. Look out for the recipe them, guys. So this is a tip of the iceberg. There's a lot more to come. Enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, I just cut up 2 medium-sized carrots in dices, in wedges, piece of a thyme, spring onion, mixed peppers and white onion. This is what we're going to use on the fish. All you need to do is take off this in a little bit of oil, and that's it. Put it on the fish. It's going to be an amazing recipe, guys. Mother's Day is nearby and Easter is nearby, so let's do it together. Nice. So I just pop a little bit of oil inside of the frying pan right there. So basically, as you can see, my frying pan is about 2 to 3 seconds now on the stove. All I'm going to do is pop in a lovely carrot and all of the veg, which we just show you now. Lovely and nice recipe, guys. I know you guys will like the recipe. So as you can see, that looking so lovely and nice and fantastic. Put a little bit of coarse pepper. Some people put some Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper inside of it, but my daughter can't manage the pepper, and so I have to just cut back the pepper. So, but basically, you can do the same thing. You can put some pepper inside of it, and I know you guys will like it. So, guys, enjoy the recipe as I start take off these, and we're gonna put them on the fish. Enjoy. And that's the fish them inside of the oven, ready to come out. Look at those fish, beautiful and nice, cook, looking lovely and fantastic. So hopefully guys will like the recipe as we finish them off now. All right, nice and lovely. So just take the fish from the oven, roughly good 15 minutes inside of the oven, and all you're gonna have to do, simple sprinkle on this thing on it just like this. And then we're gonna serve up it and make you guys see exactly what we are about with this nice, lovely fish. As I said, Mother's Day recipe or even Easter recipe, guys. You can use it whenever you want to use it. I'm telling you, you can't go wrong. It's a beautiful recipe, and I know you guys will like the recipe. So subscribe to the channel and please leave your comments. Thank you so much. I love it. I just shared it out, guys. As I can see, the fish, the broccoli, and the potato. This is a lovely healthy recipe, guys. As I can see, lovely, nice, simple recipe, and you can do this at home. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel, and please leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We got a lot more recipe coming out for you. This is for Mother's Day or even Easter holiday, Easter fish, whatever you want to do with it, guys. But this is amazing recipe. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye bye.